Hello and welcome. Let's walk through how our AI assistant transforms the real estate journey for buyers, sellers, and brokers. Let me start with a quick question. When was the last time you had a truly smooth experience buying or selling a property? The reality is, the real estate journey is still full of friction. Buyers want fast, personalized options, sellers want a simple, structured listing process, and everyone dreads the back and forth of site visit scheduling, rescheduling, and canceling. So let's walk through how seamless a user's experience for exploring properties to buy looks like with our Agentforce agent. Now let's say I'm a buyer. I am looking for a home in Austin, Texas. Now everything begins with user verification. So the agent prompts for my email and phone number. Whether it's a buyer or seller, the agent checks the unified user's data using just an email and phone number. If the user exists, great. If not, the agent registers them instantly, ensuring new users are added without overlap or duplication. Now, as I'm an existing returning client, the agent identifies me and addresses me by my name. And this is where it starts to get interesting. Our solution is built with Salesforce Agentforce and powered by Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and in-app intelligence. Real deep-time data unification through Salesforce Data Cloud, giving us a 360 view across users, properties, leads, and interactions. All of this so your team can deliver faster, smarter, and more personalized experience at scale. Now the agent identifies the state and country name and prompts for the confirmation. Once confirming, the agent will prompt for the property location and type preference. So now I need a duplex in a mountain or forest region. Now the agent will prompt for additional preferences such as bedrooms, size, price, parking preference. So I'm looking for something with 9 bedrooms, ideally around 8,000 to 8,500 square feet. My budget is between 90 to 100K, and having parking included would be really important to me. The assistant captures all the provided preferences and it filters the listing to show the best matches. Now we have found a match, and let's say one property really stands out to a user. They are interested and want to know more about it. Now the agent will intelligently fetch all the necessary details of the property that is to be displayed to the user. Now, if a property is getting really high interest and multiple inquiries, the user is notified to create a sense of competition, encouraging faster decisions and enabling quicker connections with the listing agent to speed up the process. Lastly, the agent checks if the user seems interested in a physical site visit. Now, as I'm interested in a physical site visit, the agent will ask me for the date of the site visit. Let's say I want to schedule a site visit for 23rd of June. Now the agent checks the property's listing agent availability using its calendar. Once the time slot is selected, for me, the time suits from 10 to 11 a.m. The agent books the site visit automatically and syncs using Salesforce Einstein Activity Capture, which syncs to their email account in real time. And lastly, creates a lead, sends in confirmation email for the site schedule, also adds the necessary information required summarized from the chat transcript. Now here we can see a lead has been created and the necessary information from the chat transcript has been tagged in the description field. Now for the calendar, we can see that an event has been created from 10 to 11 a.m. for 23rd June. And this is how a buyer's flow looks like. Now switching roles, I'm a seller, I want to sell my property. As the initial step, the agent prompts me for my email and phone number. Once providing the details, the agent will search for the unified user's data present in the system. Once verified, the agent will address me by my name and prompts for the further property details such as street, city, state, and country where the property is located. Now my property is located in San Francisco, California, United States. Now the agent double checks the state and the country name. Once confirming, the agent will now prompt me for the property type and location. Now it's an urban townhouse. And now for the further property details such as the size, whether it's furnished or not, parking availability, bedrooms, bathrooms, the price that I'm expecting it to sell on. Now once all the details have been provided, the agent will present the details and once prompt for confirmation. Now as I am satisfied and wants the agent to list my property, now once confirming, the agent will create a property record and a lead record and tag the property to the lead and also mentions the information from the chat transcript. And this was all about a seller's and buyer's flow. Either way, the process is seamless. This was all about our AI agent. Thank you.